Good afternoon, this is Drone Days and I'm now going to review my new drone. But first, can you guess which one it is? Is it a DJI one? No. Is it an Autel one? I wish. It is a... I know you can't see it. It's a Zino Mini Pro. Comes with one lovely drone. There she is. There's the front, there's the back. 250 grams, so you can fly anywhere within 50 meters of people. Comes with 2 batteries. There's one of them, the other one's in the drone. Comes with a nice remote control. There you go, you put your phone in there, the 2 sticks are underneath there, and the antennas, and they do work. They're not just for show, so nobody leave comments below. Comes with couple of spare thumbsticks. Comes with a 4 charging hub, which you connect with USB lead. There you go, and you can charge 4 batteries individually. So it does 1, then does 2, then does 3, then does 4. So that's 4 batteries all done. Take about 2 hours. Comes with a nice red little screwdriver, which everybody needs, and of course it comes with the leads. We have USB-C to USB micro. We have USB-C to Lightning for your Apple phone users. And for your Android users, we've got USB-C to USB-C. And the lead just connects into the side of the remote control there. So there you go. Also comes with 2 spare props in case you snap them. And this is a kind of data lead. You can connect this bit there to the back of the drone, to our computers, and we can take off pictures and videos and stuff like that. And it also comes with a really nice bag. There you go, with all these compartments. These compartments come out there. There's space for your remote control, your joysticks, everything that goes in the bag. It's got a nice case, and there you go. That's what you get for the Hubsan Zino Mini. Later on I'll be publishing some photos and videos, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and chat to the Drone Days website, and I'll see you later. Adios.